total rebuild. I'm the 6th owner, 5th owner.
All right. What size motor in it?
351.
Beautiful.
It's even got logbooks when I very first got it.
Right on.
64.
Yep.
It's got all the receipts.
Wow. And it's been rebuilt in total?
Yeah. Got photos of it. The guy even bought it from me. He's got me this massive big photo frame of it. But when he got it, totally stripped down. There's all bits and pieces all over the concrete floor.
In pieces. Cool.
Then it shows you the stage has been slowly built back up again.
And originally purple?
I think it was originally red.
Oh, okay. It's a nice purple.
Yeah, Fremantle purple.
Okay, there you go, eh? Yep, I think you can get a few bodies in there, eh?
Yeah,
that's massive.
As a guy I was buying it from, he says, yeah, you can get 3 bodies in there, so you can't get an esky in.
This is true. It's not very deep, is it? Wow.
For about 3 months. So. Oh, okay. But yeah, you need to make an appearance and go and do the cost lady and have a go. Join the club for the cheap red, yeah. Oh, we did the went for the sausage sizzle with that last night.
Bare metal, yeah. Oh. Bare metal red, bare metal boots, and on the bottom there's cover. Where a selection of rollers all went up, up and down, which is 4 foot. That's just the deep.
Yeah, I just say that.
Give it a rev, mate. Give it a rev.
I had to drive 9,500 k's round trip to the middle of the outback of Queensland to get it.
Oh, really?
So I bought it.
Nice one.
In Tasmania. He never drove it. He just took it to car shows, had the big block put in it, and turbo 700. The guy got it up in Queensland, got it registered, and then never drove it for 8 years.
Wow.
Sat in his shed for 8 years. So I got it a couple of years ago and cleaned it up. And
beautiful.
Does the job.
It looks nice and straight.
Very straight, yeah. I wasn't sure what to expect after driving all the way over there, but it was much better than what I expected. So.
Cool, I like it. Sounds good when it came in.
Looks like I'm finished when you meet Friday.
Hang on. Hey, Rex.
Do you mind telling us a bit about it?
She's 95 Pulsar, Triple S.
All right.
SR20. DT, of course. With a can't help but miss a big intercooler on the front end.
That's what it's for?
I brought it as a half-finished car.
Right.
And I painted it, did the interior. Yeah, and just cruising.
Sweet. Looks like a little rocket.
She's a little pocket rocket.
Yeah. What size motor is it?
2 litre.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's being front-wheel drive, it's pretty hectic.
Something you'd have to get used to, eh?
Yeah, you just got to get used to power steer.
Yeah, right.
But I've got an LSD to put into it, or a 6-speed, one of the two.
Sweet.
Depends on what I decide to put into it.
How fast you want to go and everything else, eh?
That's it.
Beautiful. All right, thanks for that.
No dramas.
Beautiful.